Naperville is under a flash flood watch due to the heavy amounts of rain. In the last 24 hours, there's been nearly 1 inch of rainfall, causing a rise in the DuPage River levels. According to the National Weather Service, as of 11:15 this morning, the west branch of the DuPage River has risen to 11.6 feet, which is just above flood stage of 11.5 feet. The river is predicted to rise to 13.5 feet by Monday afternoon, as an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain is forecasted. The river is expected to fall below flood stage by late Wednesday morning. In the meantime, the Naperville Fire Department is asking residents to stay away from the river. Reporting for Naperville News 17, I'm Aisha Ashley Hausa.